Welcome back everyone, I am happy to see you all here. We are back with another magical adventure of Code Combat. We've been doing a lot of levels and I'm happy to do even more. If you're liking my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to get the word out about my channel because I want to teach the whole world about coding. Well, are you guys ready for a good adventure? Let's get to it. The next level is called Dread Door. Behind a dread door lies a chest full of riches. Okay, it's about arguments, basic syntax, strings, and while loops.
Code Combat.
And we are here with the new level. Okay, so the new goals: destroy the door under 3 statements. You can use the while true loops with any method. Okay, so again, in this one we are going to be using a while loop. Now let's see how exactly are we going to open that door. So I do see a puppy right here. The last time I had a door like that, I was able to open it by attacking it. But who knows if that is going to work. Okay, so according to this, I do need to attack the door. So I need to use a while true. So let's see how things can go. The most simple way of doing things is going to be just attack the door with all our might. So that is going to be the plan, ladies and gentlemen. We need to attack that door and free that little puppy, because no puppy should be subjected to anything like this. So now let's see. Hero. Remember, always start with hero in this case. Dot attack. Now it's going to be door, and it's going to keep attacking until we destroy it. Here's hoping.
Attack.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We destroyed the door, we freed the puppy, and we succeeded. It's so exciting. This one is called Hack and Dash. Escape the dungeon sprite with the help of a speed potion. Ooh, we unlock a canine friend. I do have this crow, the raven, but I haven't used it just yet. No, but we just unlocked this one, so we might as well use the new companion to enhance this adventure. Okay, so I do see right now the goal is escape the trap, the danger in the air. You need to escape from the dungeon, but why not check that chest before you go? Use attack it to open the chest, then use the while loop to escape. So I believe this is the trap. So I need to figure out how to use the loop in an effective way to open the chest and actually escape. This looks like a dicey situation, but nothing we can't handle. Let's see. Okay, so I have to go all the way over there. So if you see carefully, this is a set path that repeats. So doing a repeated movement inside a loop is going to take me straight to the exit. So that is not going to be a problem. So here's what Code Combat wanted to teach. So we do have a while loop right here, but if there is something that we want to do before the actual loop, something that we don't want it to be repeated, we can do it just right here so it doesn't get repeated. So we do it only once and then do the part that we need to be repeated. And let's see. Right here we have the move right that is going to move us right here. Now break open the chest before using the while loop to escape the maze. Again, we do need to get the chest, so before we actually are able to move that way and actually escape, we need to open the chest. So we move right here, and we actually have to move up because yet we need to get closer to the chest, I believe. Although let's see if this is good enough. Hero, attack. Now let's see if we can attack the chest from here. Oh no, it says return to main hallway. So this is a clue. So this is the main hallway and this is the chest. So we need to get close to the chest and then go back. So we do need to move up. So we need to include that. Be very aware of where your hero is going to be. Oh, again, I just did an error, simple error right here. I do need to put move up. So we put move right, move up, we attack the chest, and now we move back down. Okay, so that will put our hero right here, back here. So now let's see how many movements we need to repeat. So 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. So we effectively need the hero to move 3 more times, but this time down. So let's see, ladies and gentlemen, let's guide our hero to the exit. Let's finish this mission and let's get all the riches. Okay, the only part that we are missing right now is the 3. So it's 3 and 3. Let's see if this is going to be enough, ladies and gentlemen. Getting close, and now let's run it. It's going to be enough. There we go. Oh, the trap is coming here. So we did take the potion of haste, and now we are moving faster. I don't think it... Oh, it actually ignored the pop and it's going straight to me. But I was able to escape. There we go, we escaped the trap and we got the chest. I believe we wouldn't have been able to escape without that potion. So even if I moved towards the exit, I wouldn't have been able to escape because the trap would have reached me. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. Today we finished 2 levels, and in the next episode we are going to do more. And if you want to see more of me playing this awesome game, don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to spread the word about my channel, because we are going to teach the whole world together. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and good night.